Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fortnite unavailable error on Epic Games. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check Epic Games server status. So for that I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. And after that, check if there is any server downtime or so. If yes, then wait for some time, and after that again check and see if the issue is resolved now. Next solution is to restart Epic Games Launcher. So for that you first need to exit the Epic Games Launcher completely. So for that, click over here, arrow icon. Here you can see Epic Games. Simply right click on it and click on exit option. So after this, again launch the Epic Games and then check if it's working now. Next is to run the Epic Games as an administrator. So for that, go to the home screen, select the shortcut icon of Epic Games, right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on compatibility. Here select run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. After this, check if the error is resolved. If not, then click on disable full screen optimization and then click on apply and OK. And after that, try to launch Epic Games and check if Fortnite is available or not. Next is to verify game files. So for that, open Epic Games. After launching Epic Games, go to the library section, select your game. Now click on three dot icon over here, go to the manage option, and here you need to click on verify. So this will verify the game files, and after that check if Fortnite is available or not. Next is to clear Epic Games cache. So for that, first you need to close the Epic Games launcher completely. So if it is open, simply close it, or from here also you need to exit Epic Games. After that, press Windows plus R and type %local app data %. So then click on OK. After that, search for Epic Games launcher, go to the saved folder, and here you need to delete the web cache. Simply delete the web cache, and after that again launch the Epic Games and then check if Fortnite is available or not right now. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. After that, go below and expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will update the driver on your PC, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Apart from this, you can also go through the link that I provided in the description for other drivers. Simply select the link, NVIDIA users, go to the web browser. Now after pasting the link, select your graphics card details, and after that download the graphics card on your PC and then update it and then check if the issue is resolved. Same thing for AMD users, simply download your graphics card and update it, and after that try to launch Epic Games and check if Fortnite is available or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you need to go to Epic Games and check if there is any update available. If any update available, simply update the game, and after that check if it's working now. If not, final method is to reinstall Fortnite. So what you need is to reinstall Fortnite on your Epic Games. So go through the Epic Games, there go to the library section and select your game and click on uninstall, or apart from that you can also go to the control panel over here, then click on uninstall a program, and from here select the game and right click on it and click on uninstall. So after uninstalling the game, now restart your PC once and again launch Epic Games and reinstall the Fortnite game, and now check if it's available or not. So these are few solutions to fix Fortnite game unavailable error on Epic Games. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.